do you think women are lazy at some point, or is because of situation that they are facing day by day? Ukuthi bagcine sebazifaka kumagutsumela?
Both.
Yeah.
Sometimes a situation, sometimes yibo ngokucwafa. You understand?
Easy cash.
Sometimes abazali. Yeah, abazali banokuthi hey akunamshibo la uhleli. Even though umntana aqedile isikole, but they will still say akunamshibo akasebenzi. So uthola ukuthi umntana udate someone bakuthethisa hayi lo muntu wakhe akanamali ucabanga ukuthi uzokukhipha la kule nhlupheko uba yipressure seka date umuntu onemali because of ufuna ukuthi mama yakhe amthande. Sometimes ukuthi udate amagutsumela is because of you are lazy to think. Lazy, like amantombazana are lazy, afuna ukuyenzelwa abafana abafuna ukuzenzela. They are selling their beauty ngemuhle mina I'm very much expensive mara wena self awukhona ukuzi afford. Yabona, so they are selling their beauty.
Yeah.
Yeah, thula amagutsumela lawa.